I'm going to be installing caliper covers on this 2015 RS Camaro. The caliper covers are made by MPG. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get the half of the car that you're starting with jacked up and in the air and on jack stands so you can start the install. After you've got the car jacked in the air and jack stands installed, you can begin to take off the wheels. Next, you're going to take the lugs off your wheel. I suggest taking some sort of piece of plastic bag, sticking over the lugs with the socket to protect your lug nuts. Once you've got your rim off, you're able to start putting the caliper covers on. The next step is to take some of the hardware included in the kit and put that one right there, and the other piece will slide right down and in there. Then you can put your cover on. After you install these brackets, all you need to do is slide the caliper cover onto these brackets and tighten these two nuts down on both sides to your desirable tightness, and it's installed. And that's what it looks like installed. Now you just repeat this process on all four wheels and they'll look just like this.